Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the old-time Mikeymose. Hello everybody, Tierra here, and this is Confection, Perfection, Bakeshop YouTube channel. And today what I'm going to do is make Mickey Mouse cupcakes. If you are wondering, I'm doing this with fondant, you are dead wrong. I'm about to make Mickey Mouse cupcakes only with buttercream. How is that possible? Well, you'll see in a minute. Alright, what you need is some cupcakes, your turning table, and of course your buttercream in black, red, and white, the Mickey Mouse colors. Alright, let's begin, people. Alright, you got your cupcakes, and what I'm about to do is set them aside and put one on the turning table, and I'm about to make a Mickey Mouse cupcake look like this. I don't own it, I'm just going to pipe this design on the cupcake. So how? I'm going to show you how. Alright, I'm going to grab my black buttercream first with a 5 round tip. It's a small tip. And I'm about to pipe the Mickey Mouse ears first. And then pipe his whole face. Huge circle. Alright, and then you grab your white buttercream to do the other part of his face. If you aren't an artist like me, you can do something like this too. Alright, I got his face done. Now I'm about to do his nose first. That way, I'm making sure his face is straight and not crooked. Alright, I'm about to do his eyes. It's connected to his nose. And you cannot forget his big smile, so I'm about to do his mouth. And then you grab your red buttercream to do his tongue. And then you just fill in with black buttercream. And there you have it, Mickey Mouse. Now the way I look at it, it needs something more. So I'm about to add a color background. So I'm going to use white buttercream to fill in the spaces. There, now that looks much better. It looks real cute. Now what I'm about to do for the rest of these cupcakes, I might do another one looking like this, but I'm about to make the ones on the other cupcakes with different expressions. Alright, the next expression. While I'm doing these cupcakes, I just wanted to give them different color backgrounds, some in red and some in white. Alright, I did 3 expressions, and now I'm going to do the same for each. Hot dog. These cupcakes look cute. They look awesome. What can I say about these cupcakes? It takes a lot of time, but, well, each of them is 4 minutes, so these cupcakes look really cute. And I cannot believe I made it possible, because when I was sitting down thinking I should make Mickey Mouse cupcakes, I'm thinking that doing it with buttercream is not possible, so I made it possible. It takes a lot of time, and it takes your steady hand to do the rest of the work for you. So if you like this video, if you love this video, if you love Mickey Mouse, click like and subscribe down below, and comment and tell me what you think of this video. I will see you all soon. More videos to come next week. I will see you soon. Tiara here. This is Confection Perfection Bake Shop. See ya!